that are from your side on this course, okay, the program. Any question you can shoot it now, please.
Are there any certifications we can do just to support our learning so that in our see I'm not thinking about to move out of the company. Just internally I want to move.
Okay,
So
very
if
good.
internally I want to move, right, they may ask something like they may take interview. If they don't take interview, they try to look for some certifications.
Certification. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, I will. Okay, good question. Any other questions, ma? Shoot out all your questions, please, and then I will answer all of them.
Yeah, certification, sir. What about certification?
That's for the. Okay, I will answer these questions, ma.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
can you teach any project or demo project
Oh,
learning purpose?
okay. Project samples, right?
Yes.
Or demo.
Doubt session.
Doubts, huh?
Yeah, doubt session. Like if we have any doubt
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
and any playbacks, we can do practice after the class or something.
Yes. Next questions, ma.
Need more hands-on practice because I'm strong in the theoretical concept but need the hands-on.
Okay, ma. Practical. Next one, please.
Real-time
what are
scenarios.
the prerequisites for us to learn these things? I mean, any computer configuration we needed, or basic configuration we needed, or like what are the things we need? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
From where we will be doing this, or from scratch we develop,
Yeah, yeah.
or like how it will be like.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Any use cases or real-time scenarios?
Yeah, real-time scenarios.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Real-time scenarios, practicals. I written here, ma. Next. Any questions?
Do we require too much of JavaScript, or are we going to cover in the course
Yeah.
while going through the topics?
Yeah. Okay, ma. I will answer it.
Yeah. Adding to the same point, will it be like drag and drop, or like we should try to type something and then execute it? How it would be like?
Okay, got it. I will answer it. Next question, please. Please shoot out all your questions, ma. I will answer them. Taka tak.
So which version we will get that in service now?
Okay.
Because now Sandisco, sorry, we have Uttav we are using
Utah. The version name is Utah.
Uttav, right?
Yeah. I will tell you, ma, which version. Next. Next.
One more question, sir. Like here we have in different field we have experience.
Uh-huh.
So once we are entering into the service now,
Uh-huh.
how we can manage in the interview? Like we are showing the fake experience in the interview. If interviewer asks the question, how we can crack the interview?
Okay, ma. Okay. Next question, please. Please shoot out the questions, ma. Very good questions. Any question, any confusion, because you are going to run for next 2 months of time. So shoot out all the questions. Okay, I am not seeing this chart.
The
All done.
the mock interview will be a group interview or one-on-one interview.
It is like group interview only, sir, because we have a
Okay,
lot of crowd now to covering for
correct.
everyone difficult. Yeah, but I will
So
answer it. Yeah. Yes. Next question, please. That's it. Any other questions, ma? No
So,
question.
So,
just wanted to
what would
understand
be
the
the
different.
lifespan for this service now? Is there any competitor available already right now? Or like other pre-existing ticketing tools merging to service now, or how it is, or what is the scenario here?
Okay, very nice. Okay, sir. Good question, actually.
Yeah, and yeah, just wanted to understand the difference between the ServiceNow developer and the implementation specialist.
Okay, good. Next question.
Next 5 years in service now.
Okay. Yes, sir. Good. Okay.
Can you please provide theory type of notes? Mm,
Theory type of notes. What? Okay, I'm providing. No, this is our theory. This is our theory notes. We will be providing. Ma. Running notes is our theory notes. Ma.
okay.
Yeah. So, any last question? Shall I take it, or because if I start it, no more questions. Okay. We have less time.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma. Question.
So now, how to manage a non-IT to IT background, sir, for
So,
interview purpose?
Prerix non-IT to IT. Okay.
How to manage in interview, sir?
Okay. Next. That's it.
So one more question. If you are entering using the fake experience certificate into the service now, in future, if you have any doubts in the projects, we can get that help during that time. Or
Fake experience and
like we are working in different domain, and anyway, if you are entering to the service now, we are informing we are using the fake experience or other way only. So once we enter into the project, in the project, if we have stuck up with anywhere,
yeah.
so that time we will get it helps.
Okay, good.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So how to crack script use case? If someone asks me something about scripting,
Write a
like
script.
yeah, so I always get blackout. So like how to face that kind of situation?
Okay, ma'am. Good. Right.
My
Yeah, with after this classes, right? So how many like how we can show like how many years of experience we have in the real time? How many years of experience we have? How much we can claim?
Okay, sir. Good. Good question.
Or any module of form configurations and, about platform configurations.
Mean?
Any topic there?
What is that, ma'am?
I mean configurations of forms and fields and
We are covering
the
now. We are
yeah.
covering now. First phase.
Okay.
This is what your question is.
Okay. Out of the box, some fields will be there. No, some.
We will be covering everything, ma'am. So
Okay.
deeply we will be covering. Yeah. Good. Shall I take it?
yes,
Hi,
sir.
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Is learning ITSM module is only enough to get a job,
Okay.
or do we need to learn any other modules?
Okay, ma'am. Good. Right. Yes. That's it, huh? Any other question? I think we have a lot of questions. Very nice. Anything else? Okay. So see here. First of all, someone said fees. Okay, I will take this one last. Okay, because it's list prior.
So can I add one question?
Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah. So what happened means as I am working in the ServiceNow environment.
Uh-huh.
So what happened for reporting part we are using Power BI. So does ServiceNow lacks in that means in terms of the dashboards or the performance analytics part?
Right. See. Okay. Good question. Actually, this is actually a technical question, but not our class introduction kind of question. Okay. But good question, sir.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Uh-huh.
On many resources on internet, right?
Uh-huh.
And what will be like? How can I say? Special in your course, sir.
Oh,
There
what?
are many resources and many YouTube videos of you also.
Uh-huh. Okay. Why is SKFacts online training? That is right.
Yeah, yeah.
To waste your money, man. Okay. You want to give money to me, so you are joining it.
No, just I'm asking.
Okay, man. Thank you. Thank you. So first,
Sir, in this session,
yes.
ITOM is covered, na, sir?
No, ma, not covered. Whatever I am giving in this PDF, okay. Uh, these are the things I will be covering, and whatever you are asking, like flow designer, CMDB, GRC, ITOM, they are very advanced, and we can't cover them within this time frame along with this basic. Also, they need lot of configuration to set up. Okay, I will tell you one answer here. Okay, after that you will understand.
Okay.
Okay, but
Okay,
first,
sir.
I will start the questions. Okay, I will start the answers. In case anything is there, please keep with you. Maybe you can shoot out last. Okay, maybe note it and then throw to me last. Okay. So first question is, why is I need to join to user spending this much of money, wasting this much of 2 months of time? Okay, why SKFacts? Okay, good question. I am 100% with honest. I am telling it right. To learn any tool, please. Okay, so to learn any tool nowadays, no need to join anywhere, ma. This is hard truth. Okay, even ServiceNow also, everything is there in YouTube. I learned ServiceNow by my own, and I am surviving now. I never went to any institute or I never took any classes from anyone. Okay, I didn't spend any money also. Good. Okay, so Can I able to learn ServiceNow by my own, sir? Yes, you can learn. How, sir? There are nice channels are there. Okay, Basico is there. Okay, SaaS with ServiceNow is there. Okay, so yes, you can learn it. This is the answer.
SKFacts is also there.
SKFacts, leave it, ma. Your SKFacts is also there. Okay. So now, when you have this already these many videos, these many channels, sir, why I need to join to you, sir? I know it's actually right question, ma. Actually, we no need to spend any money. We no need to join anything. Okay. But the problem will come where is I will be torturing you people. Okay. Maybe my previous people know my students knows it. Okay. What we are covering here is in a systematic way. We are covering the syllabus. The problem with watching a video self-learning is we don't be following head and tail. That is first thing. Okay. Now if I ask one person, okay, learn service now. You go, what you do, ma? You just go to YouTube. Okay, maybe open Basico. You start seeing first two class, what is service now? Second class, okay, form design, form layout. Third class, table creation. That's it. You end up there. Will you proceed for fourth class? Maximum no. Okay. So no one are pushing you to learn that, and you will get fed up. Okay. These online YouTube channels topics will be helpful when you know at least something basic. Okay, how normally we learn is okay, let's say I know something in ServiceNow. Okay, I know client scripts. I want to know little bit deep in ServiceNow. Then I will open a video and then I will see, then I will enhance my skill there. That okay. But if I want to learn everything from basic, oh, maybe I will just sit for 4 days and then end up. That's how many people will not use the resources like okay, even though if it is free we can't resource because it is not in a flow. That is the main thing. What we do here is we will be teaching these topics in a very systematic manner. When I say very systematic manner, okay, the class 1 is having a dependency, the class 2 having a dependency on class 1, class 3 on class 2, class 4 on class 3. So if you don't practice one class you don't understand the next class. If you don't understand phase 1, you can't even understand even ABC in phase 2. If you don't understand phase 1, phase 2, you don't understand phase 3 and phase 4. Everything is related. That's how the design of my training and even the practice also. Okay. So let's say we have one application here. Okay. Let's say we will be doing for you. Okay. So as part of our training, we will be building our own application. So the application that we start here is here. We will start the application creation from here. Okay. And the same application we use here also. So every topic we apply at least something with related to this application. Okay. So this kind of systematic way of videos, you don't find it in YouTube. That's where if you follow 3 4 videos, you will fed up and then you will lose control. You got it, ma? First thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Second
Sir,
thing,
we have a service on documentation also,
you can.
but that is in too much of details.
No, it's not too much, but first time learners will feel like too much because see, it depends, ma. Okay. So why we go to school, ma? Why teacher will say ABC? Can't we learn ABC? Right? Someone needs to tell us in a nice format. Then we will learn it. We will understand. Then we will learn. So the understanding, na? Okay. Someone asked, sir, here. One question is there. Okay. One question is there here, but answer I am covering it here. Okay. The answer is what is our service SKFacts agenda is okay. Learn the basics. Learn in a simple manner. Okay. Learn simple. Okay. Practice hard. Okay. This is where many people will fail. Okay. If you are learning very hardly, you can't learn it. Let's say you took one tool. Okay. Let's say you took one tool like data science. Data science, how people will not carry because there are so many things. Okay, charts will come, calculations will come, okay, permutations, combination, finance, and everything will come. Even though it is very valuable, people will start it. Like I want to achieve something by seeing all YouTube ads. Okay, by seeing all the ads. One second, ma. Rose. Sorry. So we will try to do something here, but once we start it, we will get okay that it is very hard to continue. Then we will stop it. Okay. Any learning, if you feel it is hard, you can't learn it. It should be very, very, very simple. Once you understand the basic part, then how much hard practice you do, that is your life. Okay. From our training, I will try to keep any topic in a simple way. Maybe if you see my videos, you will understand that, right? So maybe because of these two reasons, you need to join SKFacts. Okay. Third thing is, uh, we are charging very less, ma. Maybe people, if maybe people who joined outside, na, they know the like how much people will charge actually, and uh, they don't even teach this much. They will just tell basics, and then they will charge double what we charging. Okay, how much maximum I asked, ma? Maximum this much, right? Did I ask more than this much for any person here? This is max, right? Yes. Did I ask any 1 rupee extra more than this?
21.
What is 21?
21K.
Who said that?
Radical technology.
Okay, you are telling. Okay, no, I'm not talking about that, but I'm talking about SKFX. Okay,
Yes, yes.
among 74 people, anyone I asked more than this much. Did I ask more than this much?
No.
No, sir.
No, no,
No,
no.
right? So if you go to outside and then seek for this much of syllabus, they will minimum charge you 21, 20 minimum. But this, no, not this much deep. They don't teach you 60 classes, right? So this is also one more reason. And fourth one is I will be monitoring everyone. Okay, I want to follow practice. Okay, maybe you will understand it. That is the answer. Okay, that's it. Is that answered now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question is okay. It is actually the last question we have to cover. Prereqs. Sir, I want to learn service now. I have very good knowledge, good interest. Okay, to learn service now, what are the tools I wanted, sir? Okay, how difficult to practice it, sir? Nothing. The best, simplest thing of service now is just you need to have an internet. Okay, not even 5G because I am running my screen share and all. I am running 5G. Okay, for you 3G is also enough, and one Chrome. Okay, so use this Chrome. This is your application. Okay, I will give you one video today. Okay, how to create a PDI. PDI means personal developer instance. Okay, so you all needs to create a PDI. Okay, I will give you one video in our channel. That video will give you the simplest way to create it. Okay, get your account created here, right? And get your instance created here, and this is your tool for next entire life to practice ServiceNow. Nothing is there. Okay, one answer. Second answer is, sir, non-IT to IT. Okay, so I am jumping into non-IT. I don't know anything about IT. Sir, if I join here, can I able to learn those terminologies? Can I able to do the crack the interviews? Yes. You will be with me for next 2 months, daily 1 hour. So 60 hours, and for you again, okay, 120 hours. So it's a journey of learning. I have people, okay, maybe Ravi Garu is there. Ravi Garu, you joined? Okay, there will be one student here. Maybe I don't know.
Praveen, sir.
Yes.
Praveen.
Yeah.
Ravi. Now I'm saying the
Praveen.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay.
Ravi here.
Ravi Garu is there. Ravi Garu wife was maybe kind of science background student. She joined B21. Now she is one of the favorite students. She practices more than 5 to 8 hours per day. And if I tell one script to write, she will immediately write it and ask the question. Sir, I tried it. I got stuck here. Sir, she is from which background, sir? Maybe some
Organic chemistry.
organic.
Masters in
Okay,
organic.
organic chemistry, not IT related. Okay, so maybe why I'm pointing is because many people who joined here, they are MBA people, BA people. Okay, maybe on-site people who joined here, like okay, almost all of my on-site students are non-IT students, housewives also. One of the B15 is completely housewives. 5 people joined. They're all housewives. Okay, US settled people. They also did the jobs. They also got the jobs. So this course we are learning from scratch. So it's non-IT. It's non-IT. Okay, no background is required. Only thing is your dedication is required. Okay, I feel people who have no experience in IT will prepare more and then get the jobs in less time than who have some knowledge in IT, because they will be learning everything from scratch. So they will show a lot of interest. Only thing is you need to dedicate your life for next 2 months for service now. Okay, is that answered? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are we learning only ITSM, sir? Are we not learning ITOM, GRC, CMDB, Flow Designer, sir? Okay. The answer is no. Why I'm saying the answer is no is they are advanced concepts. Okay. What we are learning here is ABC and grammar. I will teach you ABC, I will teach you grammar, and I will ask you to speak. You will start speaking it. You will take word by word, frame sentences and then speak. Okay, and here what you are asking is flow designer and CMDB and GRC item. This is like writing a book. You can write a book only you know ABC and grammar and start speaking it, start working on the things, and then your brain will tune to the advanced level, then these things will come. Okay, if I include flow designer in this flow, okay, people will not join from next day, because to learn flow designer we need to have a strong knowledge in this part, very strong knowledge in this part, and very strong knowledge in this part. If we don't have these two, then you don't even get the spelling of flow designer. Same like GRC, same like item, same like CMDB. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, sir.
Will these things will be expected in the interviews? No, right?
It will be expected. Okay, but we can see, sir. Okay, I will tell you, sir. Interview, no, I have that question somewhere. Okay, maybe here I
Yeah,
will
sure.
tell it. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you understood, ma? Why I said they are not required? They are required. Okay, but for you not required now. You can't take my syllabus and extra syllabus. If I teach more, okay, it will like completely collapse. Even with this syllabus only, you people will cry, sir. I want some time, sir. Okay, I'm not able to prepare in time, sir. Okay, so what is the statement here is anything, not only item discovery, okay, ITAM, HRST, HRAM, HRBM, okay, ITBM, anything without this syllabus you can't learn. So first this is core, right? So we should be strong with the basics here. Anything you want to learn, first you should be very strong with the basics. That's what we are learning in our training. Okay. So once you are strong with the basics, then if you take any technology, advanced technology, you yourself will learn it. Or you watch a video and then slowly practice it and then learn it. Okay, ma? Is that answered? Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now in interviews, sir, will they expect ITS apart from ITSM other things? Will they expect or no? Okay, they will expect. But the 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 problem here is it's how the interviews will be in. Okay, like is I'm telling with my experience, ma, okay. Generally, interviews will be like, let's say, they may take you. Okay, let's say I went with 3 years of experience. Okay, I faced 20 questions. Okay, and all among 20 questions, 15 questions are from this syllabus. Okay, they asked one question like, what is college here? They asked one question is, what is the difference between on start, on end, on before, on after? Okay, I am not able to answer. So I failed there to answer basic. Then the next 5 questions they will also ask. Okay. Apart from ITSM, do you have any knowledge like ITBM? Okay. If we say yes, then they will expect what you did. Okay. Then I need to say, okay, I implemented something in story management. Then what you implemented? I implemented a business tool. Then they will say, what is business tool? Then I don't answer it. Okay. So it's not like what, see here. Okay. How to tell this answer is anything now. Okay. Even if it is ITSM, ITBM, ITAM, we will be using the same concept to configure or develop. Only thing is, in ITSM, you may do something here. Maybe tomorrow I will show some sample. Okay, what is our development work? Okay, So I may do some development in this form in ITSM. Okay. In ITBM, I may do some development in this form. Okay. So now I need to know what is story, what is incident. If I know what is incident, what is the definition of incident, what is each field of incident, if I know the definition of what is story, each definition of each field, then using these concepts, I can develop anything. You are understanding, sir, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So that is the answer. It is like not complete answer, but at least basic level answer. Okay. I will give you some little more details later. Okay. Mark interviews. Yes, we will be taking mock interviews group wise. Right after each phase completed, I will be taking it. Okay. And I will be randomly taking a name like this and then asking a question. And if they don't tell it, then people will take it up. Next one will pass it. But I would expect everyone to speak, not only in these interviews, but from now onwards, from tomorrow onwards, everyone need to speak. This is an opportunity to speak. Okay, people will be scared about to speak. Okay, maybe experienced people they are fine, but many people scared to speak here. Okay, use this 2 months of time to speak. That is one thing. Okay, so I will be taking it. Certifications. Okay, ServiceNow have its own list of certification. Okay, the first important certification is CSA certification, administration certification. Last year, what they did is for maybe 6 months of time they made it as free. Okay, CSA free certification. So I only send maybe dumps for close to 1,000 people. So they need to do some 15 hours course in now support. Somewhere it will come here. Okay, so you go here and then go here and then say connect. Give me a second, sir. Where is certification? Learn. You go here. Okay, and then get the certification. They will ask you to go for 15 hours training. Just say click, 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 and then learn something. Then they will give you a kind of voucher. Okay, with that voucher you can finish your training. You can finish your certification. That is called CSA. Okay, and once you are ready with that exam, maybe if you ask me, I will send the latest dumps and all. The questions will come from there. Okay, so this is basic. Once you're done with that, you have so many other things also. CAD development, CIS implementation. So like this, we have plenty of certifications in ServiceNow. Sir, do we need it? If it is free, at least have something. If it is not free, how much it will charge, sir? Okay, ServiceNow will charge for CSA close to 1.4 lakhs. $300, I think, right? 300 or $400. I don't know. $350. Okay. So yeah, somewhere. Okay, 1.1, maybe 1 to 1.5 lakhs. Okay, I don't know exactly. Okay, this
Gee, it would be 25,000, right? $300 means almost
no
25,000.
sir.
Correct me.
Here it have like two things. Okay, one is a course, second is an exam. Both it's a complete.
It will be coming around $700,
It is a
650 or
complete
700.
fees I am telling. Okay, 15 hours
Yes,
course
correct.
cost and examination cost. Two things. 1.3 somewhere it will come, sir. Okay.
But it is not a mandatory thing, right?
I said
Yeah.
it is mandatory because as last year they made it free now. So minimum people like all organizations were asking like, okay, do you have CSA? Yes, I have CSA. So to filter
Mhm.
at least for first round, no, they will say okay, CSA certificates. And this year also I think they will enable for some 6 months of time for free. That time everyone can do it. I think now, right now it's not free. Okay.
Okay. Oh,
Yes, sir.
oh, yes.
So now
And what about Delta exam?
Delta exam is something like okay, I did so ServiceNow have versions, right? Every year it releases two versions. Okay, for each version we need to upgrade our certification also. Let's say I did my certification with San Diego. Next to Tokyo came. For Tokyo I need to update my certification. Delta 6 questions will come, and then Utah came. For Utah also I need to upgrade my certification. Again 6 questions will come. So it's just like upgrading your certification with the latest version. That's it, right? Now project samples and demo. Our project training will be completely practical. I will be showing something. I will be asking something you people to practice it. Okay. So every day I will be giving some samples to practice. Maybe when you see scripting now, we will be seeing lot of scenarios. By the time we complete scripting and catalogs and all, we will be giving you so many scenarios. The only thing is, at least you need to practice one. I expect minimum 3, 4 to practice, but at least one you should be practice. But they are more practical oriented. I will be giving so many things. Okay, you will understand, ma. Okay, maybe it is very early to speak about it, but once you started learning, you will understand how our training program is. Doubts, yes, 1 hour training we will say, but it is a lie. It will go for 1.5 hour. Okay, so first 15 minutes I will start with doubts. Last 15 minutes I will end with doubts. Okay, playbacks practice. Yes, I answered here. Need more practical real time? Yes, ma'am. We will be having lot of real time. Okay, many people join for real time things. Okay, we will be giving so many. Okay, and one person said, sir, I am stuck with writing scripts. No, after you complete this training, if you get any script requirement to write, within seconds you will write it. Only if you practice how I ask you to practice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Drag and drop, sir. This tool will not support drag and drop. Okay, we need to write it, we need to execute, we need to test it, and then make it functional. It's not a drag and drop kind of tool. Okay, and how much JavaScript is needed? We need minimum. Okay, ServiceNow JavaScript is like a ocean again, but we will be learning minimum here, and this minimum is enough to survive. I know this minimum only, and I'm able to survive. Okay, here also once you know the basics, you can still dig into the ocean. Okay, it's just like first two steps into ocean. Okay, once you knew like you can swim in the ocean, you can swim it, but to start it you need this one at least for interviews and for surviving for 3 or 4 years of experience. Okay, so yes, which version of ServiceNow we will be using? Any version we can run. Okay, so you are going to practice with this particular PDI, right? So you can use any version. Right now I am using Tokyo. You can also take Tokyo, you can take San Diego, you can take Utah also. It doesn't matter. Okay, version is doesn't matter, concept is same. You don't change anything. Okay, so version can be anything. In the video that I am going to share the PDI creation, okay, it will tell you which version you can take it, how to take it, how to create it. Okay, that video I will share it with you. You just everyone after this class you have to create your PDIs before to next class. Okay, and how to manage the interviews we are learning here. The next 2 months we are going for this purpose only. So we are learning, we will be learning. Okay, we will be very strong with the basics. Okay, and with those basics you are able to clear the interviews. And one important thing here, people will generally ask stupid questions, sir. Okay, many people asked me, I said no, then I lost them also. Okay, sir, after this training will you be giving mock interview? No. Proxy interview? No. Shut your mouth and go. I will reply like that. Okay, I don't support them. First thing. Second thing is support. Okay, support is kind of secondary thing, I don't give, but I have friends, maybe I can support, I can give their references, you can contact with them. Okay, I'm here only providing a strong training, and people who follow my training they will survive by their own. Trust me. Okay, if you don't want to survive your by your own, if you want to take some help, then waste of time here, waste of money here. There are other ways to go. Okay, so ServiceNow life, how is the life, sir? Yes, it is very good. Okay, why I'm saying why very good is because it's a cloud platform, and it is enabling with AI, predictive intelligence, advanced topics. Okay, maybe I'm not a person to answer this, but if you see the trend of ServiceNow, how it groomed from last 5 years, the revenue of ServiceNow, the business of ServiceNow, you will understand how it is. Okay, next minimum 5 years it will be there. No need to worry about it. Okay, competitors, it have its own competitors. All clouds are its competitors. Major competitor is Salesforce. Okay, then sir, why I need to learn ServiceNow? Sir, I will go for Salesforce. Yes, good, you can go, but ServiceNow syllabus is very limited. Within 2 months you can complete it. Salesforce admin itself will take 45 days. Sales for development will take another 50 days. So to complete the complete Salesforce course, you may need to spend minimum 3 months to 4 months. That is also good. I am not commenting any tool here. That is good. This is good. Okay, but which is faster, which is good to learn, which one will give more life and all, that also we need to see. Roles of a ServiceNow job. This one I will answer tomorrow, sir. Okay, it's very important question. Okay, I will answer tomorrow. It will take little time. Fake experience, how to survive. We are learning here, so we will survive. We have so many things to support us. We have support. We can take someone support. We have a lot of community help. ServiceNow have a community, documentation, YouTube videos, everything is there. Okay. Only thing is, you should be understand what you want to do. Generally, people will go with fake experience, na? At least they should understand what the team leader is asking you to do. Okay. I seen many people where they will record in a phone and then send that recorded audio to the support person, say, this is my requirement, do it. If we ask what it is, they don't even able to explain it. Those kind of people are also there. Okay. Why the gap is because they don't know the basics. They can't understand the things. Right? Our students will not be like that. You will be very strong. Okay. At least you can able to survive by your own with a little support. Okay. How to write a script? Maybe tomorrow. How much experience? Okay. Let's try to start with 2 years minimum. Okay. 3 years preferable. Don't keep more than 5 years. Many people, 11 years, 10 years people are there. How you can plan is like out of your total 11 years of experience, you can tell like from last 4 years, I am ServiceNow, a developer, a team lead. Remaining my experience is with different technology. Okay. Why I said like this is because if you keep more experience, relevant experience, the expectations will be more. It will give more burden on you. Okay. Fees, I told everyone what is our fees. Okay. Each one have their own fee structure. So you can pay in 5 classes, first 5 classes, attend all 5 classes, pay and continue. Okay. If you feel like, okay, I don't like it, okay, it's not fit for me, maybe not time to join. Okay. I'm not interested. After 5 classes, you can drop out. Please tell me, sir, I'm dropping out and then leave it. No force here. But one request is if you continue very strongly, very seriously. Good. One thing. Second thing, sir, I don't want to continue, but silently people will be there. After 20, 30 days, they will tell, okay, sir, I never joined, sir. I don't have interest, sir. Remove me, sir. Please don't do like that, okay? If you are interested, continue. If you are not interested, discontinue. Right after this class, I will be sharing account details. You can start sending it, but it's not urgent to send today only. You still have 5 classes. See the 5 classes completely. Understand the things. Understand yourself whether it is needed for you. Can you able to do strongly? Am I tuning to you? Then only continue. If you have any doubt, rethink it or drop out. Okay, that's it for today. On Power BI, sir, Power BI is a very powerful reporting tool. Power BI is meant for reporting. ServiceNow reporting is not having that much maturity. So we can't compare ServiceNow reporting with Power BI. Okay, this one will win. Did I answer your question, sir?
Hi, sir. Actually, I have one doubt.
Please, ma.
Uh,
Okay.
hello.
Yes, ma. Tell me.
No, no. Actually, having 3 years of experience, what would be the minimum package for ServiceNow
What
developer,
is your
sir?
current package, ma?
Okay, it's 3 LPA.
You can say minimum 6 months, 5 lakhs. Okay, you can ask for 10 lakhs more. Okay.
So it depends on organization, right? Because there is so many consultant in market.
It depends on how you given the answers, how you are technically strong, ma.
Yes, because if I have this package, then when I ask to interviewer, like uh, like what will be the minimum if I
There
get
is no minimum.
opportunity to
Let's say you have 5 lakhs salary, you can ask 10 lakhs, ma. Simply you can ask 10 lakhs, and if you are strong, they will minimum give 10 lakhs.
Hmm.
No need to think about it.
Okay.
I know,
Yeah,
I
okay.
know many people like with 2 years of experience, they took 15 lakhs also. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Be
Got
strong. Be strong
you.
only. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Any questions, sir? Please speak, sir. I don't have patience to read. If, what is the question?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
If I have CSA certification like San Diego version,
Uh-huh.
latest version Tokyo is there, right? How to update from San Diego to Tokyo, sir? Where we can update that?
Wherever you are doing, okay, where you did the CSS certification, na, that is a portal actually. Okay, in that portal you go there and then you see one option to upgrade. You see, you click that and then you get a questions. You finish it and then done.
Okay, sir, got it. Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
So do you have any idea regarding the job market for service now in USA for H1B people?
H1B people, no need to think about it, sir. You have it.
Okay.
Okay. But now it's not only service now, but I spoke with one of our student yesterday. Okay. Right now the US jobs are little less. It's not actually because of recession. Because of the preparation of recession, they are not opening any new positions. Okay.
Yeah, actually, I have seen many jobs are asking for only for the citizens and they should have security clearance. So that is the reason I
I
am
don't know
asking.
much about it, sir. No comments. I don't know.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
So, and one more question. What is the difference between the Jira tool and the ServiceNow? Like it both was ticketing tool only, right?
In Jira, you can't do everything, ma. It is limited. Service now, you can do anything. So
Okay.
the scope is scope is bigger. So Jira is like a river. Service now is like a sea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. We will see, ma'am. Okay, we will start understanding service now. Then you will understand how big it is. Yeah. Right. Shall we end?
Yeah, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, sir. Please tell me, sir.
Yeah, in a single project, how many softwares are there? How many senior softwares are there? How many leads?
There
Like
is
that, how
this.
structure?
Okay, this question I will answer tomorrow, sir. In this question, now you will understand that that question which you asked now that will be answered in as part of this course. Okay, it is actually a
Okay.
big discussion, so I will cover here. Good. Any questions, ma?
No, sir. Class is there, sir, tomorrow.
I will confirm it. Okay, Sunday there will be no class, and if
Okay.
we don't, if I can't take any class maybe on a particular day, I will be intimating you minimum before 3-4 hours. Okay, so I will be posting in
Okay.
our same group. Okay, on prior
Okay.
time. And if any festivals are there, if many students will request or need some rest, maybe we will take that also. But everything we will communicate in our this one group. The group is our main channel, ma, for communication.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, that
Yes.
EDA video.
I will be sharing it, sir. Right after this one,
Okay.
I will be sharing this video and notes. In that notes, I will be sharing the PDI video, everything.
Just a point.
Yes, sir.
So you will be running only one batch or two batches parallelly?
There is a morning batch. Now this is a evening batch. Yes, sir. Two batches, sir.
Okay. Morning batch is 8 to 9, right? Morning 8
8 to 9, sir. Yes. But the topics that I'm covering there is completely in off, actually. Off. Somewhere we are at the morning batch right now at 50. Somewhere around 50. Means 7 or 8 classes or more.
Okay, it maximum of 10 days ahead. That batch is 10 days ahead. That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Close to. Yes.
Hello, sir. Is this not a good idea to like for a fresher to complete this ServiceNow course and after that he can apply for a job? Like I have passed out, like my friend one have joined Teji Singh who have passed out from BTech in 2015 after he is doing like uh, preparing for a government job. But I suggested him to like he asked me to I have to move in to IT company, so I asked him to join today. So is it a good idea to like to complete this ServiceNow course and after that applying for a job?
He is
So
not
how
fresher
many?
anymore. No, 2015 is he is not a fresher anymore.
Yeah, but
You
like
can
yeah,
learn service now, and you can try with some 3 years fake experience, and then you can enter into IT. That's what everyone will do, no? That is the only
okay,
option we have it.
okay, got
For
it.
your
Thank you.
friend, there is an option, but for the person who asked this question 2 minutes back, he's
Okay, okay,
2022 passed out, so you don't have much gap.
okay, okay. Yeah, got it,
Now,
got it.
yeah, for him it is like a situation where you need to think and then proceed because you waste your money, you waste his time, and then if it won't work, so you need to guide him properly. No, he's a fresher.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Right. Good. Anything else?
Like, can you please explain those roles? ServiceNow job
I am
roles.
starting it now. Okay, I am starting it. Before that, I thought of take questions also if any other questions are there. Because if I start it, then you may not get a chance to ask the questions or revise the questions. Okay, so that's why I'm asking if any questions are there. Maybe yes. Please raise it, ma.
Hello, sir. Actually, I got a call from MDOC from in next 3 days. I call for the interview. Can you please give me the interview tips for that?
Interview tips. Okay. Which
Actually,
interview,
sir,
ma?
they call MDOC ServiceNow developer, sir. I am applying for the 2 months ago. Today, call me for the shortlisted CV.
You ping me, ma,
For
please.
my
After this call, you ping me. Okay, I will guide you because I want to understand how much you know first before I suggest. Right?
yeah, sir. That's the reason. Yeah.
You ping me. Okay, I will speak with you.
Yes, sir.
Good. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma.
Hi, sir. This is my first class. Can you give me a brief introduction what you are discussed in previous class?
In previous class, we discussed about all the questions that people raised it, ma. Okay, they have so many questions about this course, about this topic.
Okay.
Okay, and what are
Okay,
the
sir.
things we are going to learn for next 2 months. Every question they asked, and I was able to answer it, maybe in my best abilities. And the recorded video also I shared in our group, ma. Right?
Okay, sir. I will go through that.
Yeah, please go through.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma.
Sir, one more thing. Yeah, it is the service now is for administrator and also for developer.
It's for everyone, ma.
What is the difference, sir?
We will be discussing that as a first point of today, ma. We will
Okay.
Hello,
be.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah, sir. In our course, is there any practical
We
things
have
like
lot of
real-time development? Yeah.
we have a lot of things. You joined first
Yeah.
day, right?
Yes. Yes. I
There we
saw.
covered, Nama. We have a lot of practical things. I covered that topic.
Yeah. Yes. Actually, in service now, everybody is talking like it's a ticketing tool, but I saw that like AI type of things like data-driven solutions are there. Like I have yeah.
We
Hello.
will be having a lot of practical things, Ma. You will understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have a lot of practical things and whatever I suggest
Hi,
you.
Sridhar sir.
Yes, sir.
Hi,
Yes.
Sridhar sir. Good evening.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Please.
sir. This is Rafi, sir. This is my first class.
Hmm?
So currently, I'm working as a service administrator in IBM. The main reason joining in your classes is I want to be a part of development and integration, sir. That's why I joined here.
We will be adding. We will be covering them. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's take.
One question, sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, live projects, any demo projects are there, sir,
We
in
will be.
the...
Yes, ma. We will be discussing lot of scenarios. Everything is a project, ma. For every topic,
Yes,
we
sir.
will be discussing with a scenario. Everything is a project, and it is more into live environment. Yes.
Live environment. Okay, sir.
So that is the
One
only.
more question.
Tell me, please. Tell me.
I have 11 years of experience in non-IT field, sir. How I deploy
Oh,
the experience, sir? Experience regarding the experience, I'm asking, question. I'm asking, sir.
how to get the experience in service IT, right?
Yes, sir. That is a question, sir.
You need to get some consultancies and then pay and then get the details. They will give you fake certificates with 3 years, 4 years of experience.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Not 11 years you can keep, but at least 3, 4 years.
Yes, sir. That's all I'm asking.
Yeah.
At least 3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, how
Okay.
much JavaScript is required in ServiceNow?
I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Here it is.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. I'm good at machine learning, sir. So a few things I saw I mean connected with service now. So that's why I'm learning this course. So because in machine learning we need lot of data. I mean CSV files and some JSON format also required. So that type of data we can directly pull from the service now uh, to I mean by using RPA. So we are using RPA also. So that's why I want to know all these things. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay. So,
Hello, sir.
yes.
This is Naidu. Sir, if we keep experience, 2 years experience on service now as a developer or administrator, can we means our profile will get shortlisted?
Not sure.
It will be shortlisted. No, people are doing it. No, comes 2 years, they are starting to apply. It's minimum
Okay,
4 years they
sir.
need to expect. Okay.
Means, as I mean to ask, like, can we get a calls on 2 years?
We can get it.
Maybe.
No, yes, we can get it. We are getting it. We can get it. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir. How to approach the fake certificate, sir? There is a question in my mind, sir.
I don't have the answer because I don't suggest anything on those faking things. No, because there are so many consultancies are there. Okay. You can
Okay.
check with your friends and then get a nice one and then get the documents and pay. Because I don't have any connections with them, first thing, and I don't support those free money things. If I suggest some student to someone, if they cheat, then it will impact the student, right? So I don't do it. You will get to know.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. So,
Yes, sir. I have a
And hi,
question.
one more thing.
yes, ma, please. Two questions.
So here, the service now we has to learn any kind of coding languages like or otherwise scripting language, SQL like
Scripting,
and coding Java like that we have to learn.
yeah, ma, we are going to cover that question answer here. Ma. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And one mail. What is the question?
Yeah, yeah, sir. This is Srinivasan.
Mm-hmm.
I'm working on the PHP web development. Only backend. Only I'm working on the past 2 years PHP, some maintenance projects.
Mm-hmm.
In between and parallelly, I'm working on the some ServiceNow maintenance project supports like that.
Ticketing.
I would like to my career move on to the entire ServiceNow. It's good for career or
It is very good for your career, sir. Because you
okay,
knew scripting and whoever have some basic knowledge on scripting, okay, that web
okay,
page when web page related, it will be very good for you. Okay,
okay.
it will be very added advantage for your career.
Hi, sir. I'm Dinesh Nash.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm already get a CSS certificate.
Uh-huh.
It is useful to get a job.
It will. It is good for. It is good to have, ma. Yes, it is good to have a CSA so that you will get some benefit when in interviews.
Okay,
But
thanks.
your question is like, if I have a CSA, will I get a job? No.
No,
Okay.
no, I'm not asking like that.
It will be added advantage.
It is going to useful.
It will be useful only. Yes, ma'am. The knowledge, certifications, everything will be added advantage only. Okay. Right. Okay. So one person asked how to post something in community. Okay. So there is a community page. I showed in our video, PDI creation video. Community, I introduced something. Please check that. Okay. It's
Okay.
community.servicenow.com. There you have an account. Okay. Something like this. So once you created an PDI, you see connect community. It will take you to community.servicenow.com. There you can create, you can read, you can reply, you can do anything. You should be like, you will be involved yourself with ServiceNow world. Okay, it's a very easy thing. Okay, first create a PDI account, then it will take you to everything. Okay, now you can create anything here. Okay, see things here, replace this, everything you can do here. Okay, Ma, is that clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes. Now, yes. Okay, let's take it, Ma. Okay, because questions will come, questions keep on will come. Okay, until we didn't start learning it, questions will be always there in our mind. Once we started learning, now questions will not come because we focus more on learning and things, live things. So let it be. Uh, yes, fake experience, how to survive. Okay, this was the question where we ended. I answered it already. Uh, only thing is we need to be very strong in the basics. Okay, if you are strong with the basics, you can survive. That is first thing. ServiceNow will give you so many documentation, so many communities. So every time, if you have some question, you can just come and post it here. See here, just say client ServiceNow. Okay, client script is not working. Something whatever I got it in my mind related to ServiceNow topic. I'm just typing here. Okay, the first one which you take you is okay. Earlier it is this one only support.serviceNow. It is earlier community, but now I think they changed it. So there is a discussion forum where everyone can post anything with related to ServiceNow, and Across the world, people will start seeing it and then they will guide you based on your question. Okay, and we developers will use this forum like anything because we will be doing some requirement and we will stuck there. Then we immediately can raise a question here so that people will start suggesting us. Okay, it is not only asking questions, getting the answers, but people across the world will share lot of information here. Okay, so it will be very, 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 very useful one. You are all new here, maybe you don't get it now, but maybe after 15th class, then you start seeing the things here. When we started scripting, na, from that time onwards, you start using this community page. This is very, very helpful page. Okay, and here community support videos and ServiceNow will give you a lot of documentation. If you see here, I kept this all these things in our doc in the video PDI creation video. I mentioned it. Is that correct? Did I mention these things, ma? Navigations here, options here. The PDI creation video, did I mention all this?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So the ServiceNow documentation is like a ocean. Okay, it's like not a sea but ocean. Okay, you get every concept here. You remember first day I told, okay, if you want to learn ServiceNow, you don't need to join my classes. You can learn everything by your own. Okay, why? Because it is already exposed. Everything is there. Only thing is we should know what to learn first, what to learn next, and how effectively we can learn. Okay, so this is document, this community, this YouTube videos, everything will help you, and you can able to only understand when you have a strong basics. That is very, very important. To understand one community post, community reply, okay, you should have minimum knowledge on ServiceNow concepts. If you don't have minimum knowledge, you can't even open this page. Is that correct? Now how many can understand this page? Maybe very, very rare, one or two people where you already knew at least something about ServiceNow. Okay, now, yeah, this is done. How to write a script? Very good. How to write a script? Just type it is the answer. But what to type is the question. Okay. So, as part of our training, the phase 2 is completely scripting. Okay. The phase 2 is completely scripting. We will be learning so many scripting concepts here. Right? By the time we finish phase 2, you all can understand the requirements and at least can write the queries. I am 100% sure if you can practice it, however I said, okay, you no need to think about any of your background. I am non-IT, I don't know scripting, I don't know programming, okay, I don't know C language, that and all not at all required. Only thing is you should follow my class and you should practice what I said to practice. And after that phase 2, everyone can write scripting like this. This is a script, okay, you can write like this. Okay, trust me because many people already did it. All my previous batches, many 50 people, let's say in every class, okay, out of 50, like let's say out of 100%, 50 people will be like non-scripting background, and they used to do it. They are able to learn it. Okay, so don't scare first. Scripting is very easy here, and here we have some JavaScript, ServiceNow JavaScript, and we can learn this one very easily. Okay, teaching wise, it's my responsibility to make sure that you all will understand without any miss. Okay, only required thing is you need to practice a lot because it is very new for us and it is very, very important for our careers. Okay, ma, is that answered?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How much experience you can keep it? Yes, minimum 2 years, 3 years. Many people are here, okay, where they have 10 years, 11 years of experience. Okay, you just keep minimum 3 to 5, and remaining experience you keep the other experience where you are
Sir,
belong
I
to.
have a question.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, right now I'm using 3.2 years of fake experience. So, like when I gave an interview, many like interviewer asked me like, why you are working in the same company for the past 3.2 years. So, what would be the ideal answer for this?
That is depends, ma. Anything you can speak now. Why? First, tell me why you are there in 3 years in the same company. You tell.
You can say like project also.
So I'm much
Sometimes.
comfort. See here, you can simply say this is the company where they given me opportunity to join into IT, and I am very much flexible here, and I am learning many things here. Okay, I involved myself in 3 projects, 4 projects, and I am more comfortable here. That's why I continued here. Now immediately they will get one more question. So when you are that much comfortable, why you are looking for a
Leaving.
change?
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
Now the company where they have very less projects and we are in a diplomatic position, so that's why I'm looking for a change. Also, I spent here 3 years, so maybe if I look for a change, I may learn more things here. Learning opportunities are getting less day by day, right?
Okay, sir.
So it is all communication, ma. Okay, you don't need to speak exactly the same words I said. That a particular time, what your mind said, that you speak it. That's it. And more relevantly, the answer should not give any negative impression. It should give more positive. So if I say I am
So
looking for a change,
salary hike is a positive or a negative
it
answer?
is the last one you need to say, ma.
Okay.
You should not say because of salary I'm changing. No, that is
Okay.
correct only. Okay, many people, many experienced people will change only for salary. Okay, that too, especially in appraisal time. But we should not say like because of salary I'm changing.
Okay.
Psychologically, it gives a negative impression. It's kind of other impression it gives. Okay, right. Fees. What is the question on fees, ma? No question, right? Why I written here? Nothing, right? Maybe, as I said already, okay, first 5 classes are free classes. It's not like a free, but you have time to decide, think. Okay, I think I covered it. Everyone attend the 5 classes and only decide and then only come. Don't come with a diplomatic mind. And if you continue, please continue till last day. Don't leave in the middle and saying, "Sir, I didn't join." And all. Okay. So take a practical decision in first 5 classes, and then if you want to continue, pay and continue. So that's what I think I covered here. Okay, these are done. So yes, okay. So
In the first 3 classes, can you please show the real time work how
I
we
will be
has to
telling
work
you,
and
ma.
all?
Yes, ma. We are telling it. Not first 5. From now onwards, we will be discussing so many things. Okay. So these are the questions many people raise. So I thought of cover it and then start with my things. Okay. Now, yes, these two are same question. Machine learning one. Okay, machine learning is good, sir. ServiceNow is advancing, and here we have PI, AI, everything, predictive intelligence, artificial intelligence, chatbots, live chat, everything. Okay, it is good for you if you take ServiceNow as your next career option. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yeah. And many people see here. This is like there is one more point here. If you are good at any development, this answer, no, it's not. This is only for developers who know something good, some scripting language. Okay, it doesn't mean like you don't need to think like, okay, this is bad for others. Okay, only this is more good for, it is value added for few people. Okay, who are those few people is, okay, people who know the process well. When I say process means someone is there, change management. You worked for change management for 4 years, 5 years. Okay. Someone is there, they came from mainframes or someone. So they know very strong structure of process. Okay. If you know those kind of knowledge, then this platform will give lot of advantage. First thing. Okay. Who knows process. Second set of people, testers. Okay. If you are a tester and if you want to change your job, ServiceNow is the best one. Why? Because you know the process. When you are testing it, you tested many applications and their behaviors. Okay, and you know SDLC process, right? So the learning of ServiceNow is very easy for you to adopt and change also. Because nowadays every tester should have minimum one coding language. Correct? If not, then they can't survive. That's how testing become now. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that same coding language plus the application experience plus STLC experience, everything will help you here. That is again a big advantage for testers. Okay. And the last set of people are, please check your mics, ma. Okay. The last set of people are, okay, developers, app developers, front-end developers, full stack developers, okay, any kind of developers. Let's say you are a developer, okay, you have 3 years of experience in development. I'm not talking about ServiceNow development, okay, general development, web development, PHP development, full stack development, anything, okay. So generally the developers will do or put more efforts. Let's say you are developing an application, you need to spend minimum 6 to 8 hours, 6 to 10 hours until it completes, and you need to write lot of coding there, right? Okay, so there you develop some application. If you use the same development skills here in ServiceNow, you no need to write 8 hours, 9 hours of coding. Here the coding is very, very, very streamlined. You write the same thing in 1 hour here and enjoy your 7 hours and get your salary double or triple here. If you are getting maybe 7 lakhs there, you can get 21 lakhs here if you are a strong developer. You are using your same skill, but the platform is different here. Okay, there you are developing something, it's an application development. Here you are doing something, the same development, but ServiceNow development. And here you do different thing, but salary also will be very high, and it will help you a lot in your career. Trust me. I seen personally many examples like this, and they are getting very, very high, very, very good salaries. Okay, for these three people, this course will be very, very, it is like a value add. When I say value add means uh, it is something addition to you. Okay, what about people who are very new, sir? Non-IT people, students, okay, maybe people who are jobless. For you also good. Okay, as I said, it is not reverse, it is same. But you need to little focus more, because when I say something, these people will easily understand the concept. Why? Because they already know the process, they already know ServiceNow, they already know instant management something. But for you, process itself is new, ServiceNow is also new. Correct? Everyone, is that clear, ma? Any questions here?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Any questions here? Okay. No question.